any suggestions that you have for MBA applicants who want to take on the journey of where you are, go to Ahmedabad or go to top schools across India or Asia Pacific? Anything that comes to your mind?
Um, maybe I think one thing that I have not answered in this short interview is about IIM Ahmedabad, and I have not spent much time on that, and I would like to tell more on that.
Please.
Maybe I'll end with an advice if that works.
Perfect. 100%.
Okay.
100%.
Yeah. Yeah. So if you go in Google with search about IIM Ahmedabad, we will get a big terminology of case method, okay, case pedagogy. But actually, when you go there, you understand that this is actually a very big part of the curriculum there. And see, what happens is that you learn from people's experience. There are these 80 pages of case study, then there are these pre-reads, and it helps to shape you. So it is built on the Harvard methodology that is there, and that helps you to learn a lot on about different circumstances. Uh, Also, these classroom discussions are something that are very important. So discussing, say, imagine you are sitting in a classroom with each person having 8 years experience, everybody contributing, and end of the day you go back to a small groups and you talk to those groups, and again, you get different perspectives. So how it is going to impact your knowledge and perspective about things? It changes a lot. You tend to absorb. There's a lot of material coming at you, and this really helps you. And I remember particularly is very strong. The alum base is very strong. They are very helpful. I'll give you an example. This is very cliche. They are helpful. Okay, so I'll tell you. Say in our group, what happens? Even say a first year person can write a message that I am doing a project on, say, ceramic industry, and I want to talk to some person, and he will get a reply. This is the strength of the network. Even if there is a person with 10, 15 years, he will always reply to that person if he has relevant that kind of knowledge. He will always respond to him. At least 4 to 5 replies person will get. So that kind of a network is incredible. And the same network is inside India, outside India, and I think I don't remember that statistic correctly, but I think more than 75% of the CEOs are from IIM Ahmedabad. So imagine the reach that you have, and when you have this degree, you will get a foot in the door in every discussion. But then after that, how you take the discussion, that is on you. But at least first, people will talk to, they will listen to you. They people do get impressed. That's a fact. But then after that also you have to add valid points to that. So there are many things that come to a degree, and of course this campus, the IIM Ahmedabad campus is incredible. I will not lie if I say that there are some of the days when I get that campus in the dream. I miss it so much. It's a beautiful campus spread across acres. It's built by Louis Kahn, who is a renowned architect, in fact, one of the top architects in the world. And you remember those, there are peacocks in the campus, they are dancing. This is incredible kind of experience. Of course, sometimes you don't get time to explore more, but yeah, the library that is there, simply amazing. The resources that are there at your disposal, completely amazing. So it's a must have. Everybody should try to reach it and try to learn. And say message to all the MBA students would be that the times are tough, but all you guys are doing well. I understand some people are applying to jobs. There's some people already in this process is started, and there is some uncertainty also that you may be thinking there is a fear. That fear has always been there, but I understand for your situation it will be more. But live through this fear. Don't get it onto nerves. You try to learn in this phase, maximize your learning. This is a period, in fact, it's a good period to be outside work, because anyhow there's not much happening in the work in this time. So there are layoffs, and there are this furloughs and all these things, so there is not going to be growth in the corporate life anyway. So it's a good time to take out, work on your skills and come back. So and yeah, it could be a different world when you come back, but you concentrate on the learning. If you learn much, and you can show that you can make a difference, you should definitely go for it. So it's going to be, the world is changing. There is going to be virtual things, and we have accepted, like I and Jatin, we are talking now on Zoom. It's become very normal for us, right? Zoom call, yeah, let's everybody have Zoom call. Now the world is going to change. In fact, uh, yeah, so like, many people are going to surrender their offices. Many people are going to look at life in a very different perspective. Is going to happen. So it's not going to change. But live through this. Stay positive. Don't take any extreme steps. This is the, you have to stay positive. You have to look at the learning. You have to take things one at a time. Okay. So this is my request to all candidates, that be positive. Yeah.
I'm so glad, Raman, I reached out to you. I think I know the kind of positive person you are. I know the persistence and optimism that you have in life. And I think this conversation will add immense value to a lot of people, not only applying to the senior programs in India, but people across the world, people applying to programs across the world. Thank you, thank you, thank you so much.